Hello everyone. Today we'll be taking a detailed look, review and demonstrate Dyson Genuine Cyclone V10 Absolute Vacuum with all of its accessories. The Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute Cordless Vacuum delivers the same high-quality suction and floor cleaning capabilities as its corded counterpart, according to third-party testing and user reviews. One reason to invest in a Dyson cordless stick vacuum, like the V10, is for its unique design and high-tech features. The fully cordless V10 is available in blue, copper, and black. Dyson's V10 Absolute Cordless Vacuum stands out above the rest. It offers the best suction, the longest battery life, and the most flexibility when it comes to cleaning your home. The Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute Cordless Vacuum Cleaner comes with the company's Cyclone technology, which enhances suction. In fact, because it uses 14 concentric cyclones, the Dyson V10 offers the second-best suction among Dyson Cyclones. A 0.77-liter bin makes the Cyclone V10 Absolute much larger than the Motorhead's 0.54 liters. The Cyclone V10 Absolute is small but capable of picking up fine dust and debris alike. At 5.9 pounds, it's fairly lightweight. The V10 Absolute Vacuum comes with a battery that can last 60 minutes on a single charge. This battery is made up of 7 nickel-cobalt aluminum cells. How long it lasts depends upon the power mode and attachment you use. It also comes equipped with a dock that lets you easily store the vacuum out of the way. There are also 3 different power modes to take care of carpets, tiles, and hardwood. It should be noted that the Dyson V10 Absolute uses its battery only when you pull the trigger. A soft touch trigger controls all 3 power modes 1, 2, and boost. Designed to absorb vibrations and keep sound levels low, this vacuum produces clean air no matter what you're sucking up through the nozzle. With the point-and-shoot emptying bin, cleanup is more convenient. We found that we never had to touch the trash while emptying the bin. Dirt, dust, and other particles fell out of the vacuum and into the garbage. Here is what's included with the vacuum. We have a soft roller cleaning head, which is great for hard floors such as hardwood, tile, or laminate. This is a torque drive cleaner head that is best used on carpets. This is a combination tool that I always use on base molding, as well as air duct returns. After owning and using this vacuum for over 2 years now, and using it every single day, it's still going strong. The battery is holding up well, all of the accessories are performing just like the day I got them. Overall, it's been one of the best purchases I have made, which made my life a little bit easier. You get a crevice tool, which is best for precise cleaning around edges and narrow gaps. This is my go-to tool for catches as well as cleaning tight spaces in the car. You will get a mini motorized tool, which I mainly use cleaning my car, as again, it's smaller than a regular cleaning head, so it's easy to get around in the car. And finally, you get a mini soft, dusting brush, which is great for delicate surfaces and fabrics. I like the soft roller cleaner head the best because of its soft woven nylon and anti-static carbon fiber. This accessory worked perfectly to remove dust, dirt, and stray Cheerios from hardwood and laminate flooring. By the way, this video is not sponsored. Thank you for watching this quick review.